आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, today we have to find out the value of the trigonometric function sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Alright. Okay, so how to deal with these kind of questions? Let me first simplify this expression. Okay. People are usually more comfortable while dealing with positive values. So here we are going to use a very general formula, which is sine of minus theta is equals to minus of sine theta. Alright, you must remember this formula. Okay, by using this function becomes sine of minus sine of 11 pi by 3. Alright, I've done nothing but substituted theta is equals to minus 11 pi by 3 plus 11 pi by 3 here. Okay, so this minus sign has come out and I have written it in this format. Okay, now I'm required to find out the value of minus sine of 11 pi by 3. Alright. Okay, so this is not a value which we are very familiar with. Alright, it is a value that we need to find out. So in order to do that, we have to see that what happens when the angle of the trigonometric ratio increases more than 2 pi or changes within the quadrants. Alright, for that to happen, see here, say suppose this is my angle theta and I'm measuring angle with respect to x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Alright, so the value of sine theta here will be something, say suppose t. Alright, and I take a revolution or rotation of 2 pi. Alright, after 2 pi I have again come to the same point. Okay, so basically what I can infer from this figure, I can infer that this rotation of 2 pi, this entire angle is 2 pi because sum of angles around the point is 2 pi. Okay, sine of 2 pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. That is the case when I have taken only a single rotation. What if I take more than one? That is, I can revolve around 2 times, 3 times, my result would be same. So I can write it as sine 2n pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. N belongs to integers, by the way. Integers how? Because if n is negative, that just means that I am taking rotation in the clockwise direction. Alright, and my result would be similar. So I can say sine 2n pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. Okay, so now my aim is to simplify this term into this format. Alright, because theta and theta would be something which I am already familiar with. Okay, so in order to do that, you can write it as sine minus sine of this 11 pi by 3. Alright, you can write it as 9 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Alright, okay, or in this particular scenario it can be further simplified. You can write it as 12 pi. This simplification won't do. Okay, this won't come in the format of this, so I am again simplifying it, and I'm writing it as 12 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Alright, okay, now this format is something which can be converted, which is easily convertible to this one. We can also deal with this, but this one is going to be easier. Alright, so I write it as minus sine 4 pi minus pi by 3. Alright, so you can see it as 4 pi plus minus of pi by 3. Alright, it is in this format again, where n is equals to 2, 2n pi is equals to 4 pi, so n is equals to 2 and my theta is minus pi by 3. So I can write it as minus sine of sine theta, that is minus pi by 3. Now again, using this formula, I can take the minus outside, so it becomes plus sine pi by 3. Now it is a value that we are all familiar with. Okay, what is this value? It is nothing but under root 3 by 2. Alright, and this is our final solution. Thank you for watching the video.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।